Great coaching shouldn't disappear under administrative work. Personal partnered with Betterness to turn client data into a living plan the coach controls, shares, and updates.
But there's a lot of bookkeeping, right? And everything is manual. They work a lot to keep up with what they've done, what type of weights.
As you can see here, it's creating week activity, recovery, road biking sessions, which is obviously specific to me. I'm a cyclist. And the beauty of this is it's in full control of the train. You press send, and now this gets sent to the user and gets synchronized with their own app, which, you know, in our view is giving you time back.
They will get so much time back.
Everything's so integrated.
It's gonna be crazy. You're gonna be able to help a lot more people.